In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to display Microsoft Outlook organizers in Google Calendar. This process will help you streamline your schedule by integrating the two platforms, allowing you to manage your commitments more effectively. Let's dive in and start with Outlook. First, open your Outlook account and navigate to the Mail section. This is where you'll typically start whenever accessing your Outlook settings or different features. Once you're in Mail, click on the Calendar option. This will redirect you to your Outlook calendar, a space where you can organize and view all your appointments and tasks. Once you're viewing your calendar, look for the settings wheel icon, usually located on the top right corner of the page. Give it a click to open the settings menu. From there, you need to select Calendar again. Here, you'll find several options to modify how your calendar behaves and how it interacts with other applications. Now focus on the Shared Calendars section. Clicking on this will show you a list of your current shared calendars. Following this, you'll want to click on Select a Calendar to choose the specific calendar you want to display in Google Calendar. Once selected, click on the calendar again to see its settings. Next, it's essential to set the right permissions, so click on Select Permissions and ensure you choose the option Can View All Details. This ensures your event's details are shared correctly with Google Calendar. With permissions handled, click on the Publish button. Publishing generates a link to your calendar in the form of an .ics file, a universal calendar format. Click on the ICs link provided and then select the download option. This will save the .ics file to your computer, ready to be imported into Google Calendar. Now let's shift focus to Google Calendar. Open your Google Calendar in your preferred web browser. Similar to Outlook, find and click on the Settings gear icon. This menu is where you can adjust various options and integrations. In Settings, select Import and Export from the menu on the left. Here, click the Select File from your computer option and upload the .ics file you downloaded from Outlook. Choose the file and then click on Import. This action will prompt Google Calendar to incorporate all your Outlook events. And there you have it. Your Outlook organizers should now appear in your Google Calendar, allowing you to manage both schedules seamlessly. By following these steps, you ensure that no matter which platform you're using, you're always up to date with your commitments and events. I hope this guide was helpful. And remember to check back for more tips on optimizing your digital life. Thanks for watching.